Now, most of you already know that tax exemption, it's one of the things that, ladies and gents, it makes the consumers or those people that stay in China to be able to buy or get encouraged to buy the local Chinese EV companies, which is something that we've been seeing, like other subsidies and these tax exemptions when people buy their cars, which is continues encouraging the people of China or the consumers of China to continue coming and want to buy the EV cars. I mean, a few months ago I did a video, of course, explaining to you that car companies like Nio, when of course consumers buy Nio or cars like Nio, they are able to get a 50% tax exemption cut, which is something that is truly amazing. I mean, if your tax for the car maybe supposed to be, I don't know, $10,000, $5,000, you are able to get a cut of maybe, instead of you paying $5,000, you pay $2,500, or you pay 2,500 RMB or Chinese yen, which is something that is incredible. Now, to get to see that, of course, this is something that is happening. Like I said, it has been the one thing that is also has been encouraging the consumers to go or to consider buying EV cars. Now, ladies and gents, yesterday we read wonderful news of saying that it looks like these tax exemptions are being extended, or it's confirmed that they'll be extended until end of 2023, which is something that is good to car companies like Nio, because this is going to continue bringing the demand into a company like Nio because of this, because people will be able to buy their EV cars at a discounted, or continue buying at a discounted price, which is something that is incredible. So China started encouraging or introducing these tax exemptions when buying the NEV cars back in 2014, which, like I said, it has been the one that is making the people of China consider going and buy, of course, NEV cars rather than normal gas cars, which is something that is making China to be one of the leaders in this NEV sales. And you'll know by now that, of course, we read wonderful news of saying that, of course, the China Passenger Car Association expect or sees China, of course, delivering over 6 million vehicles this year, which is something that is incredible and something that continues to make you see that China, in terms of NEV sales, continues to grow, because this is almost a 100% increase from the deliveries or from the sales that we saw from China or coming out from China last year. As you know that, of course, China last year sold about 3.4 million units of course, these EV or electric vehicles, which is something that to get to see or to get to know that now they foresee 6 million for this year. It just means that it's almost, or it will be almost double the cars they delivered last year, which is something that is incredible. And like I said, one of the things that continues to make the consumers or those people that are in China to like buying EV cars is the subsidies, the tax exemptions, which has been working on one of the things that encourages the consumers to buy or consider buying companies like cars like Nio. So those people that buy NEV cars, I think from 2014 they've been getting a 10,000 RMB or around $1,500 exemption when they buy the EV cars, which is something that is incredible. And to get, like I said, to know that it has been increased further, or China has extended this tax exemption to end of 2023, it is something that is going to continue bringing more demand or more consumers to this EV, or to buy these EV cars. Otherwise, I just thought I should just give you this quick update as to what is it that we just got to read from the news coming from China, which will benefit Nio together with other NEV cars, which is something that is incredible, and something that obviously it has to continue motivating you to stay bullish, to remain long onto these Chinese NEV stocks. Otherwise, with all that, guys, like I said, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that I please to get notified by YouTube every time I drop or release a new video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.